Oh, camera fell down. I went through a muddy puddle as well. Right, so what we're going to do today is fix my bumper. It looks a little bit like someone's tried fixing it already, because this was bent in like mad. Anyway, I give bale a push with it, and bumper didn't like pushing a bale, so it bent in. And I just put this one on not too long ago and repainted it, well, until I ran out of paint, but it was black anyway. So what we're going to do today is just bend this out. I think I'm going to just put a hook on it, reverse back, bend it back, and then hit it with a hammer a little bit to smoothen it out if needs to. Yeah, I need to make a custom one anyway. This was just temporary. I have actually found another one like the old one that fits right, because this one doesn't fit right. I had to adjust it with a grinder. Hard to get to the hooks. But yeah, I have found another one on another scrap car around the farm, which I think should fit. It was exactly the same as the old one, so yeah, but I'm not sure if I should just go straight to make a custom one or putting that one on, because this one is a bit too sloped and it doesn't fit right and you can't get to the hooks. So what we're going to do today is put a strap or something on there just to pull it out, so then I can get the hammer in and do it properly. I just need to find a ratchet strap somewhere. Also, I felt mud. Okay, that's not mud, but I felt mud coming onto me from the back somewhere. From the holes. Yeah, I need to buy some sheet steel to put in here. Also, got another cassette. Got dodgy wires in there, which disconnected. And I got new speakers, so I'll show them at the end of the video. Yeah, I was just going to put a ratchet strap and either reverse the car back or tighten the ratchet if I could find one. Right, I think I might have to do it now though, just by hand, because I don't want to drive with the bumper rubbing on the tyre. I was thinking about just taking the bumper off and doing it off, but I can't be asked for that. So I'm just going to be lazy and try doing it while it's attached to the car. Also, there's mud all over it now. Right, plan time. I've reversed it back to here. I didn't want to move it much, seeing as it's rubbing on the tyre now. As you can see, that is plastic though, so it will bend a little bit. I tried doing it by hand with the ratchet strap, just with the hook, but it's quite stiff, so good idea for me to just move the bucket. I'm gonna attach it to this tranny van and just reverse back, just to bend it straight. I don't want to overdo it. I want it to look half tidy. Really, I've been a bit stupid. I gave it a bit of harder nudge than I should have maybe, but I'm gonna just do a little cord here. That's all it's gonna do, is straighten it out so it's not rubbing on the tyre, because this was not supposed to fit on this car. So on this model then, so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. That's basically the same principle that I was gonna do. I was gonna do it on a shed though. I put a loop so I can undo it, hopefully, and let's see how it goes. It should go relatively well, as long as I don't take it. Dad said, "Oh, don't rip it off now," and I said, "Oh, I probably won't." Hopefully I don't bend it too much. I know it's not exactly perfect everywhere, but Mum said that I broke a light, and I was like, what? It doesn't matter anyway, because I could have replaced that. We've got 2 other scrap cars. We used to have like 3 or 4, but they got sold because their chassis were totally gone. At least these kind of stay together. This is actually the best one we have. It's just got a bit rough bodywork. The chassis is fine, and it's just the bodywork that's a bit rough. But I've already got new panels for that. So yeah, I'm gonna reverse back and see how things go. Shout stop when it's good. if you actually do, that'd be funny. But yeah, my mullet's going in the wind. I don't know where to put it. Should I just put it on the silage bale? Here we go. Should work okay. Hopefully. Yeah. lot more. That is actually not bad. I could have gone less, but that's not going to rub any tyre anymore. I know it now. After that, I did a loop this time because I normally just lose patience. Nice little video. Need to do more of these things. Try and do a cool shot now without losing my camera. I shouldn't. Might get wet though. There we go. Camera didn't get any mud on the lens. It's got a bit on the screen. Oh, hello, doggy. Hello. Pew. Check that over there with all the scrap. Oh, I've got mud on my screen. Hello. Only used one thing. I can't take it back where it was because my brother's got tractors in the way. Yeah, that's actually turned out well. It's obviously more dented than it was, but it's only temporary because you can see that's way too close to the hooks there and there. But yeah, I'm happy with that. It's basically how it was now. Not quite right, but it's supposed to be on a bit of an angle, but well, the thing is, it's different panels and everything, so it used to be on the red one. You've probably seen, I put photos up on the video. But yeah, that's good. It's very muddy, and it's just as muddy on the inside because there's no carpet to stop the mud in now. But yeah, I'm just getting this done slowly but surely. That's good. Also about the hubs, I don't know. I put them back together now so they won't get dirty, but I thought I fixed it, but it's still not working. Maybe it's exploded again on the inside, but it shouldn't have. But I think I'm just going to get manual looking ones because anything that says automatic on it normally goes wrong. So yeah, I'm also going to glue the trim back on. There's a chrome one supposed to be here. There is one on the other side. Here, it's supposed to look like that, and it's just fallen off. That's all that was holding it on there, so I think I'm just going to glue it back on because I think the roof actually comes off of this. That roof comes off. This whole thing comes off. It's very customizable. We've got a little roll cage in the back as well, which I'm going to have to take out, I think, to do the floor. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. That was a nice little short one. And I'll see you next time, whenever that will be, because I know these videos are very gapped. Also, yeah, I'm going to show you a picture of the speakers. I'm also going to replace the radio wires because they're probably need replacing one day, so might as well do them now. It's only got 2 speakers in it at the moment, and it's going to have 4. I've got 4 new ones. So yeah, good. Here we go. I'm just editing here, and might as well get this done. So yeah, I got 2 of these boxes. There's one down there as well. If you don't know, I do live in a caravan. I'm gonna move out after college into a different caravan, ready to build, well, to redo an inside of a house that's a bit worn down. But yeah, here we are. These two boxes were the only remaining in stock. There's 2 speakers in each box. I think they're exactly the same size. That's all I searched up on Google was Daihatsu 4-track speakers, and these were the ones that looked the best. I didn't actually look at the description or anything, but they were on Amazon, so they can't have been too bad. 30 quid, so 15 quid each, around 15 quid. Just thinking, there's stuff for the Kawasaki up there. Made in Japan. Yeah, let me just pull this out. It comes with, sorry, you need to see my feet. It comes with some new cords that go onto the speakers. I can do some of my own wiring then. So I just need to attach that to the long wire. Focus, you stupid thing. There we go. And those go onto the speakers, obviously. They look quite nice. My ones didn't have these kind of protectors. They're actually metal. They're not plastic, I don't think. Just so we don't break them. But I hope the mesh cover fits over that. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. But I don't want people, if I get it on the road, I don't want people messing with the speakers. So I'm going to put the covers back on if they fit. Come on. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a bit of a struggle. Hopefully, they should sound better than the originals. Only one of the original worked out of the 2. I don't know if that's the spec that it came in. I know someone's been tinkering a lot. I'm going to have to put the camera down. So, yeah. They look about the right size. They're the connectors there. They're exactly the same, pretty much. I think I might have bent that already. I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks a bit cheap there, but I wasn't going to buy very expensive things, obviously. Edge, that's the name of them. Focus, there we go. Yeah, those are metal, I think. Or, yeah, I think they might be plastic. I don't know. Either metal or plastic, but it doesn't matter. It's still better than the originals. Obviously brand new. People will tell me, oh, why didn't you just ask to buy speakers and second-hand ones? And I was like, I just want to see how good brand new ones are. They were only 30 quid anyway, and 2 remaining in stock, so they have been being bought a lot. Had good stars in it as well. So, yeah, these are speakers I got. So I'm gonna finish it. Oh yeah, this is my. By the way, if you don't know, I do gaming videos on the side as well. So I've got many games and stuff. This is where most of my life savings have gone since I was a kid. Yeah, and also that, which I don't use very much anymore to shave my beard, because I just let it grow out. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, I'm not showing my face much this video, because I've been needing to cut my hair. Bloody hell, you need to maintain mullets like mad, but I fit in around here being scruffy, so it's fine. So, yeah, bye.